Blackstone's fired up. We're about to start cooking. We've got garlic, onions, and bell peppers. We've got ground chicken. We've got ground deer meat. Ralph Man's Outdoors. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button if you find anything helpful, and share it with your friends. We're about to do zucchini taco boats. We're going to have deer and chicken meat. We've got the onions, the garlic, the bell peppers. We're going to put those in zucchini. We're going to add zucchini into the meat, and then we are going to bake it. So let's get started. Blackstone is fired up. We are going down with the onions, garlic, and bell pepper first. We're going to get this sauteed up real quick. Won't take long at all. Then we'll go down with the meat. We hit it with a little water, steamed it up, and that's almost already done. We'll get that pulled to the side, and we'll get the beef and the chicken going. We moved the veggies to the side, and now we are going to add the chicken. And again, this won't take long to cook. We're also going to add the deer. We've got 2 pounds of the deer meat. That's sizzling up nice. We're going to get that brown. Same thing with the chicken. Oh, it's still a little frozen. That won't take long. We'll get that broken up. Chicken is looking good. It's almost done. So is the deer. Then we'll start mixing. And then we will season this up with some good taco seasoning. And then we'll carry it in and add it to the zucchini boats. This is a quick cook. Alright, we're going to mix the veggies in with the meat. More deer, so more veggies over there. We're going to get that mixed in. Give it a toss or two. Do the same with the deer. And that's looking good. All right, son does not care for zucchini, so this is the chicken, this is deer, and that is deer. We're only going to mix more zucchini into mine, my deer, and Susan's chicken. And then we are going to add taco seasoning. Thrive Market taco seasoning. We'll add taco seasoning to his as well. And taco seasoning to Susan's. Now we're going to mix it up. Probably going to hit it with a little bit of water. Because you know, they say when you add taco seasoning to taco meat, You need to add water to it, but it sure looks good right there. We'll add a little water to it. That one definitely needs some water because it's not near as moist because it doesn't have the zucchini in it. And the chicken isn't as moist as the deer, so we're going to hit all of this with some water, let it simmer, and then we'll be ready to add it to the zucchini. Let's do a little water right now. We'll toss it around, get it seasoned on every little bite. Oh goodness. My apologies, I am sweating profusely. It is, I think 97 degrees outside with a heat index of 1010 or 105. Sorry. And plus I'm standing over a griddle. So that's pretty well done right there. I think we need a little bit more water on that batch. You know, when you do it on the oven, it says to add a cup of water and let it simmer. Well, you can just hit it with some water here on the Blackstone. It will simmer itself. Spread it out. And you don't have to have all that wasted gook in your pan. Now ours look a little bit bigger, but it's because it has the added zucchini to it. And we're going to put that in a zucchini boat. So I'm about to go get this off of here. All right, we pulled it all off. Now Susan's building zucchini boats. Susan's got the zucchini carved out, and we are going to add the ingredients to that, and then we will bake it. Well, there's a zucchini boat. Looks great to me. We bless the food. Now let's give it a try. Man, this is big, and it looks great. It's hot. Whoa. But it's good. Give it a try at home. Tell us what you think. Till next time, God bless. And the plate is empty.